So today's kind of fun. Everett, you didn't shut the door. You need to shut the door. Hold on. Alright, we'll fix the door. As you may or may not have seen, we totaled the rally car, Jgvnr Rally car, last year at PFR. I'll put a link to that up here, and you can check that video out. So we're going to go pick up a donor car to build a race car out of. It's a 2007 STI. It was imported from the States. It's got a rebuilt title with 43,000 miles on it. It's a Hawkeye, but it's got a blob-eye front clip put on it, so that's kind of interesting. But for a rally car, it doesn't really matter, and rebuilt title is just fine with us. The car looks pretty clean. It's got a couple little issues, but we got it for the right price. A little stack of cash here, and I'm gonna go pick this thing up, and then I'm gonna drop it off at Saul Sharp Designs, probably a couple of weeks here to get a roll cage, and we'll see if maybe we can get the car out to Big White Rally at the end of the year in December. So yeah, I'm just gonna drive over there and pick this thing up. So here it is. It's an 07 with fiberglass hood. It's kind of neat. Pretty straight, really, but rebuilt title. Anyways, we're gonna check for blow. This thing's got a couple of engine codes, rear O2 sensor because there's a downpipe and they didn't delete it, and a few other things. So the dash is gonna light up like a Christmas tree, but fires up nice anyways. Alright, we got her loaded on the little Jeep here. I'm going to take it over to Dodgy Dave's and park it there for a couple days until I can take it down to Saul to get the cage put in. So I'm at Dodgy Dave's. I'm pouring in lawnmower gas, which he claims, well, it's spilling everywhere. He claims it's 91, so I hope for Roger's sake it is 91. Because we're going to put plates on this and go for a rip before we tear it apart and drop it off for a cage, because I think it'd be irresponsible of us not to. Dave, what are you doing?
Nothing. Nothing
sure?
Suspicious. We're putting fully legal license on this.
Alright, we've got some plates. They're perfectly legit on this thing. We're gonna go for a little burn. Alright, so Dave's never driven a Subaru, so this should be entertaining.
We'll be careful with the Roger.
He's used to 150 horsepower front wheel drives. Oh, let's hook up the cob so you can make sure it doesn't knock itself to death. Try not to blow it up. Oh, cob access port. Alright, we got the cob data logging here. You can see knock, air fuel. Oh, wideband air fuel in these things. I think that the STIs only had that. That's what Roger tells me anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, decent.
That's fit.
That's fit. That's better than the money shift. 15 pounds boost, I think. No knock. Not bad, not bad.
Not bad at all. It's pretty fun.
Zero knock, Roger, I promise. Zero. Just the paddle on. This is high tech. At all.
No, man, that thing pulls hard once it comes on.
Yeah, it's working good.
Plus a childish induction noise. too.
Yeah, that helps.
It actually feels good. Even in fourth off
10 psi, yeah. I think I saw it most of 15 or something. 16.1 was the max boost.
Man, this is gonna be a fun rally car.
Yeah. 2.5 liters. World's
You wanna
better.
switch over?
Oh yeah, I went there. Chinese fire drill.
To see his first bit of gravel.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Touch of blue out of the bag.
Hmm?
Blowing a touch of blue out of the bag.
Is it?
Oh, maybe.
It smells a little bit like we're burning some oil off of something. Temperatures are okay. Oh, there's the clutch. Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's a whole whack of right turns you can take here. All the way up.
Alright, we're gonna head back before we run out of fuel because we got like 3 liters of lawnmower fuel in it. It sounds a little bit like the rubber bushings in the rear diff
Yeah.
are a little loose.
There's a bit of a clunk in the back.
Yeah. Other than that, works good. Alright, we didn't break it. We're gonna take it home before we get in trouble. Is that a cop? Perfect. Oh no.
CVSE.
They're fine.
Yeah.
He doesn't know what we're doing. I think it runs pretty good, Raj. Maybe sounds like it could use some new rear diff bushings.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna gut this thing so it can go to the roll cage factory. The Saul Sharp Designs roll cage factory. I forgot these things had intercooler water sprayers. I kind of want it. Maybe I'll steal it and not tell Roger. Like, oh, I don't know. We got some helpers here. Pretty much got the rear strip. We'll pull seat belts out and then we can pull C pillar and B pillar plastics and get the headliner out. I'm just gonna leave the dash, the front seats, and the carpet for now. All right, Dave's folding the headliner like a taco to get it out the door.
There we go.
Trunk's pretty much gutted. All the rear seat belts are out. Random plastic. Big old pile. And the kids are getting groceries, they say. People are awesome. So it had a front mount. They didn't have a blow-off valve. So now it's just got the front mount and the piping somewhere around here. And he has like the PCV thing looped going straight to the intake without a catch can, so that's nice. There's a catch can in the trunk, so he must just not have known how to work it or something. I don't know. Anyways, it runs good. It'll be fine. Alright, we got her gutted as far as we're gonna go for today. Get her on the trailer here, and we'll drag it down to Saul Sharp Designs.